Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today in this video we will learn that how we can calculate the time required to fill a specific number of capsule. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. Suppose that we want to fill a batch of capsules and number of capsules in this batch are 1.5 million, mean we want to fill 15 lakh capsules, and the specifications or running parameters of our capsule filling machine are: the RPM of the main station are 7, the SPM or stroke per minute are the 70, and the number of holes per segment for cap and body bush are the 16, and total number of segments for cap and body bush are the 12. So how we can calculate the time required to fill the 1.5 million capsules by using our machine at these parameters. In our previous video, we have learned in detail that how we can calculate the capacity of our capsule filling machine. We learned that we can calculate the capacity by using two formulas. If you want to learn the capacity calculation in detail, the link of video is given in description. Here we will only briefly review the formula. So the formula 1 is the RPM of the main station multiplied by the number of cap and body bush segments multiplied by the number of holes for cap and body bush per segment into 60, and for formula 2 SPM multiplied by the number of holes for cap and body bush per segment into 60. What are these terminologies? We have discussed in detail in our previous video. Must watch the video to learn detail regarding these terminologies. So to calculate the time required for filling 1.5 million capsule, first of all we will calculate the capacity of our machine per hour by using these two formulas. For this, simply put the values. RPM of our main station are 7 multiplied by number of cap and body bush segment are the 12, this one, and multiply by number of holes for cap and body bush per segment are the 16, and multiply by 60, the answer will be the 80,640 capsules per hour. Mean our machine at the defined parameters can fill 80,640 capsules per hour. So how much total time will be required to fill the 1.5 million capsules? For this, simply take 1.5 million capsules and divide it by the 80,640 capsule, which was the capacity per hour, and the answer will be 18.60 hours. Mean 18.6 hours will be required to fill the 1.5 million capsule for a machine running at the RPM of 7 and having the number of holes 16 and total segment 12. So for a second scenario where we do not have the value for RPM, we have the value for SPM, mean stroke per minute. Mean our machine is running at 70 SPM and the remaining specifications are same, mean holes are 16 and segments are 12. So how we will calculate the capacity and time required by using these parameters? For this, we have the SPM, and SPM are the 70 multiplied by number of holes, these are the 16, and multiply by the 60, and the answer will be 67,200 capsules per hour. So the time required to fill the 1.5 million capsules, the answer will be the 22.32 hours. So by using any of this formula, if your machine specifications are given in SPM, you can use this formula. If your machine specifications are given in RPM, you can use this formula. So by using any of these formulas, you can easily calculate the time required to fill the number of capsule. So I hope you are now familiar with the time calculation required for a specific batch of capsule at the filling stage. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel, also visit my website pharmainform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.